Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn alphabets A to Z. Kids class name. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Green color, green color. Red color, red color. Black color, black color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first you draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and again use blue color, blue color. Kids now to C. C for cat, C for car. Kids now to D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D, and use a yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids now draw F. F for fish, F for fan, and use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw G. G for gourd, G for glass. Kids now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and use green color, green color. Kids again use green color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, the alphabets of J. Kids now draw K. K for kite, K for king, and use red color, red color. Kids again use red color and draw L. L for lion, the alphabets of L. Kids now draw M. M for moon, the alphabets of M, and use black color, black color. Kids again use black color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest, the alphabets of N. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, the alphabets of O. Kids again use blue color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids now draw Q. Q for queen, the alphabets of Q. Kids now draw R. R for rose, R for rice, the alphabets of R. and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw S. S for sun. S for snake. Kids now draw T. T for teacher. T for tiger. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. Kids now draw V. V for van. V for vanilla. The alphabets of V, and use green color. Green color. V for van. V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. Kids again use green color and draw W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X, and use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. Kids now draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. And again use red color. Red color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.